Vastu Shastra entrances, degree and meaning. 315 to 326.25 degrees is called N1. This entrance can create scenarios to harm someone. 326.25 to 337.50 degrees is N2. It can make one feel envious and jealous in nature. 337.50 to 348.75 degrees is N3. This entrance brings ancestral gains and lots of earned money. At the precise angle of 348.75 to 0 degrees, or simply 360 degrees, lies the N4 direction. This orientation is often associated with an abundance of wealth and the birth of a boy child. It's fascinating how specific angles in Vastu Shastra can influence such significant aspects of life. 0 degrees to 11.25 degrees N5. This entrance is always occupied with religious thoughts. 11.25 degrees to 22.5 degrees N6. This entrance signifies not taking things seriously or being fanatic. 22.5 degrees to 33.75 degrees N7. Here, females will try to practice different traditions than their family. 33.75 degrees to 45 degrees N8. In this case, the bank balance is maintained by hook or crook.